All right, y'all, good morning. It is just before 6 a.m. Saturday morning. I got a light rain falling. Weather is sketchy at best for today. So I'm out here super early. I'm gonna try to catch a bite before it all goes to shite. The other wild card, of course, this morning being the red tide that has infiltrated Tampa Bay. It has been creeping northward, and while old Tampa Bay has largely been spared so far, there has been some low-level concentrations detected. I'm hoping that I don't see any dead fish this morning. I really don't know what to expect, y'all, but that's the plan. I'm going to work the rocks here maybe for a couple minutes and then go over to the old Port Tampa flat and hit the oysters and the mangrove islands, etc., etc. Until either the weather pushes us off or we get on the fish, y'all. So that is the plan. Let's put it into fruition and see if we can make some good catches today. All right, so not seeing any dead fish, not smelling anything terrible. So hopefully everything is decent today. All right, y'all, so not a whole lot of action by the rocks, and there's a bunch of people fishing down here. Well, not a bunch, but I'm not used to seeing this many people at 6 a.m. So I'm gonna just go ahead and switch on over to the other side of the flat here. If I can get up this rock embankment without crapping out. Let's see here. All right, here we go. Popped it right out of his mouth there, y'all. Snook was hanging right on that point. Popped it right out of his mouth. First bite of the morning, got a little nervous there. Itchy trigger finger, if you will. Oh my. Ah, he just swirled on it. He wants it. Here's a... That's about how this day's gone. There's a fish. Trout, maybe, yeah. Yeah, decent trout. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Yeah. I'm coming. All right, y'all. There is the first fish of the day. A troutski. shoot, y'all, we just got hooked up here at the boat ramp on a decent fish. On a decent fish at the ramp, y'all. I had to get the battery recharged there, but we got a nice jack on here. Nice jack on. Just crushed this Zman paddle tail at the boat ramp here. Yeah, pretty nice jack. We will take that, y'all. We will take that. Come here, buddy. Nice jack, y'all. Nice jack. Check that one out. Very healthy jack. Very good fight. All right, y'all. Well, if we don't get anything else today, that's worth the trip right there. That was a nice little fight. That was fun. All right, boss. Go on about your business. I don't know if y'all can see that rainbow, but that's a pretty good one. I don't know if that's lucky or not, but maybe there's a redfish at the end. That's a good pot of gold right there. Oh shit. There's a fish. There's a fish, y'all. What do we got? Coming at me. Can't tell. Might be a snook. Decent fish. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, there he goes. Dang it, y'all. Yeah, this thing just hit right in front of me. Oh yeah, buddy. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Nice little snooky. Nice little snooky. That is the second one right by this mangrove island, and there's a bunch of red fish right there, so I gotta get back to fishing, y'all. Oh, fish, y'all. Oh yeah, another snooky. There we go. There we go, y'all. This rainstorm is coming in and they are fired up. Come here, boss. Yep. Well, quick release there, y'all. Y'all, there's like a sea monster up here. I have no idea what that is. It's a friggin' Loch Ness monster. Like, literally, what is that? What is that? Y'all, that thing done got me screwed up. I don't even know what that was. Well, we ran our fuse a little short there, y'all. We're gonna get blasted by this rain. Those are the brakes. I'm almost back to the entry point, but I'm gonna get soaked here. So, I wanted to talk to y'all about red tide, what it is, what it does, and basically how it affects our local waters and our fishing populations. So red tide is caused by a phytoplankton called Karenia brevis. It's a tiny microorganism. You can't see it, but it basically, when it blooms, it sucks the oxygen out of the water, and obviously depleted oxygen levels are no good for fish, and that ends up the result of what you see when you see dead fish all over the beaches and unfortunately all over the bay right now. But the good news is the west shore of Old Tampa Bay, at least the upper half, seems largely unaffected. The areas right south and north of I-275 of the bridge are still clear, have been good. Right now, I did not see any signs here on the Westinghouse Flat or the Port Tampa Flat, but other parts of the bay are not so lucky, y'all. It's really bad down by Piney Point. Obviously, you know, the spill dumped a bunch of bad stuff into the bay, and definitely believe that is causing these current blooms that we're seeing. So we just pray that you know, it goes out. You know, I don't know what can do that. I don't know if a big tide can do it. We've got Hurricane Elsa floating around out in the Gulf headed our way. I don't know if a storm like that could affect a red tide. Alrighty, my friends, that is a wrap for today's episode. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I think the best part about this trip was I didn't see any dead fish, no signs of red tide, but that jack was pretty fun, and always love catching snook no matter what size. Got one redfish shy of the slam, but no worries. We'll get back on the reds, I'm sure, soon enough. Most importantly, y'all having a safe, enjoyable, happy 4th of July. Don't blow yourselves up. Be safe. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what kind of content y'all want to see up on this page coming down the road, and appreciate the support. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Matt Stevens. Until next time, cheers and happy fishing, y'all.